Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Glory Hole Falls Trailhead. We think it's about 1.9 miles. Is that right?
There and back, yep.
So we're gonna head out. Y'all can vote. We're gonna set up a poll on how many times Travis falls.
Show them what it looks like.
Oh, this is the parking lot. So there's plenty of room, especially on a Tuesday morning. So we'll see you on down the trail.
This trail is really wide. We drive a four-wheeler or side-by-side down it the whole way so far, but this is first time it's starting to get a little bit technical, a little rocky, and going downhill pretty good. But prior to this, it's been just flat and sandy and easy. So this is kind of at the bottom of the hill. I'm guessing this is the creek that the falls would create, but it's just totally dried up, and this is just a rock bottom with some silt and moss on it. Pretty wild, but it's just bone dry. Probably another little cascading waterfall when this is flowing right down here. Now look at this area, that's pretty cool. It's probably a neat little area where water's flowing. It's quite the drop off. Look, there's just a little bit of water right down there. That's pretty wild. So we actually decided to come down in here because this is pretty cool. Look at this overhang.
It goes all the way back there. It's really
deep. This is, I don't know if you can get a perspective of how deep that is, but that's like from the edge to back there, that's probably 40 feet deep. It's pretty cool. We really need to feel some water flowing through this creek, but there's not because it's a drought. Joanna found a log bridge and she wants to walk down it. She's gonna try it all by herself. Oh!
Come here, Joanna. Come here. I'm gonna set you right here.
Alright. Now I will tell you off camera, she walked all the way up it by herself. One end to the other.
I'll get down here and then I'll walk up it.
Alright, yeah, show them how you can go up it. Hey, Trav, you got my flashlight.
This is my flashlight.
Look straight ahead.
Look at
Good job.
All right. Good job. So there it is in all its glory. Ha ha ha. This is so cool, but man, it would be so much cooler with some water. It's a pretty incredible hole. Let's see if I can get a little better view for you guys of it. There you go. Pretty neat. If only there was some water flowing through it. What a magical place. It's cool and cool when it's dry, but I can only imagine how cool it would be if it were a waterfall. It'd have to be one of the coolest waterfalls in the whole country. Very neat. Worth it whenever, but if you can, come when it's not a drought.
Come on. Come on.
This is going to be America's next ninja warrior here.
Come on. Now, come here. You're singing like that. I did it.
You did it. It was like nothing. Just like nothing. All right. High five. Okay. Of course, this won't be visible much longer, but we did our best to get our muddy handprints on the wall too, since that's obviously the thing here. But what'd you think, Joanna? Was it worth the hike?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so Glory Hole Falls was awesome, but we're headed back up to the car. Should be around a mile. Most of it is uphill. It's not too steep though, but the kids were struggling, so we decided to take advantage of their competitive spirits. And what are we gonna do?
We're not gonna let the boys win.
Right. So we've split up. I've got the backpack and Joanna, and Joe has Trav, and we're gonna see who can get there first, and I think we'll get there first, unless Joe decides to pick Travis up and put him on his shoulders, then they might catch up. But so far we're smoking them, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we have made it to the flat part. You want to hold it? Okay.
So this is the flat part.
You gotta hold it up.
It's kind of, we're halfway there, but it's 6 minutes there, and boys are kind of a little bit far away, but not that far away. But the lunch will be ready till they get here, and we'll see you guys when we get to the campsite, and it's a beautiful forest right here.
All right, guys, climbed up out of here. Hey, Joanna, high five. Way to go. All right. What? Aunt Laura Lee.
Aunt Laura Lee vlog.
Laura Lee, if you're watching, she named an acorn after you. Woohoo! Yeah. All right, this is my first trip to a glory hole. It wasn't what I was expecting, but it was still pretty cool. All right, guys, let's wait for Joe and Travis to come up. And here comes Travis. Let's see, 28 minutes later. Here he comes. Come on! I've got PB&J ready.
But I didn't carry him not one step.
Wow. Good job, dude. Good job.
Only one big tumble.
Only one big tumble?
15 minutes to get over.
Wow. Well, must have been a big tumble then.
Not really.
No?
It was just
He was just tired. It was the tumble that broke Travis's back. Yay! Good job. Come here.
There's a little pep in the step.
Hi. Did you walk the whole way?
Good job, buddy.
High five. You hurt your knee? Oh, bummer. Can I have a high five?
I hurt my hand.
Oh, your hand too? Gracious. Well, come on, let's get you some lunch, okay?